Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today video topics is best website builder for online store. So let's check out best online builder store. So I want to check these full details. Okay, so sorry, online store on your smartphone. What it has no details, so I want to back this website. So let's check out. So let's check out more website builders website. So most popular, number one, Wix, Squarespace, Squarespace, webcom.com, then network solutions, then wordpress.com. So helping a build a website. Do you want to create website but don't have coding experience? We provide through comparisons of the most popular and successful website builders. Take a look at our analysis. We have pulled our experts knowledge to help you decide which website builder will meet your. So building your website, you may not be a web designer or a professional coder. That's where website builders come in. They facilitate the process of creating a website, making it accessible to everyone regardless of your programming know how. Using website builders as streamlined and pre-made templates and themes, you can easily launch a professional website.